Now, ladies and gentlemen, may I please call upon our very charismatic, very handsome, and very enthusiastic Mr. Nikhil Nanda.
यार दिस इज अ सेल्स कॉन्फ्रेंस नॉट अ बॉलीवुड कॉन्फ्रेंस यार क्या करिज्मेटिक बोल रहे हो यार हम ट्रैक्टर की बात करने आए यहाँ पर एनीवे जेंटलमैन लेट मी स्टार्ट बाय सेइंग गुड मॉर्निंग टू यू ऑल इट रियली इज माय प्लेजर to stand in front of you. And today I'm not in the mood of giving any lecture or a speech. I want to speak to you from my heart. That's what I am. I want to speak to you about what I feel about this company, what I feel about what I do each day in my life. And with that, allow me to take you through an experience that I have gathered with support of my team and the event management company to give you a perspective of where we are at Escorts today, what is the future of Escorts today, and how we all are going to enjoy this journey together. You all recognize me? Yes? Okay. I hope you recognize Sridhar. Yes. Energetic warrior, right? Quite a warrior, I must say. He's going to be giving a speech later today, I believe. Shailendra? Yes. Sameer? Caroline? Now that's what you call charismatic man. Handsome man, huh? Well, I hope you guys recognize him, which you do, which is great. But on a serious note, who amongst us recognizes this man? I met him in Rajasthan, and he's one of our top dealers' father, 82 years old, and still selling Escorts tractors. Doesn't look 82, does he? Who recognizes this woman? This child. Look at that smile. I've been visiting the markets in the last 4 months with Sridhar, with Sameer, and as I said, I'm going to speak from my heart. It's touched my life because I feel it's not about just tractors. We are actually touching these people's lives. This family. Who are these people? These are the people we serve as Escorts. They are the reason for our existence. This is why we all are here today, to serve them. This is India. This is rural India. These are they are our customers. It is Anand who defines my life. As I said, I'm not giving any speech. The people who I've met, I'm giving you names of people who have actually personally given my own personal handshake. It is Anand who defines my life. It is Shanti who makes me feel that I'm not working in an office. I must tell you, I have never thought, nor do I think each day when I come to work, that I'm coming to an office. I feel I'm coming to a land of opportunity, a land where the entire focus is on how we as Escorts can give these people all the mechanization tools to help them to fulfill the potential of the arable land that they have. Help them to fulfill that opportunity and help them to feed our society, our country, and our family with food. To put it simply, I believe our mission is to feed this girl. I believe the mission at Escorts is to eradicate hunger. That was the purpose with which Escorts was born 70 years back. To serve millions of people in this world. And today, I would like to speak to you a little bit about our future, about our vision 2020. 7 years from now, where are we going and what are we going to see in the next 7 years? About a vision that will define our tomorrow. Our tomorrow is about transformation. Our tomorrow is about transformational change in the lives of the people we serve. It is about redefining agriculture. It is about adding science and creating art. This is the vision I see. In this vision, we are not mere manufacturers of tractors. We are providers of integrated crop solution. This is what's going to differentiate Escorts from all the manufacturers that we see in India. We're going to give a concept of integrated crop solution. We're going to focus on crops, and we're going to help our farmers get productive, help him to get profit, reduce his input cost. We're here for him to prosper. That is Escorts' mission. Apart from giving him money, making him yield profits, we want to also remove hunger, as I said, not just in India, but around the world. And we will do it as one organization. I feel extremely, extremely proud with the team that is working today at Escorts. From the CEO downwards to the top team of AMCOM and many, many of you who are working towards this vision. A lot of things we haven't spoken and perhaps will not speak today in today's conference because everything is work in progress, but I can assure you that we are working towards this concept and we're going to bring it in the real world. And that's the time when people are going to truly appreciate the kind of support that Escorts will give to our customers. We are going to offer a bouquet of solutions and services that will transform the lives of the people we serve and transform the productivity of the arable land of our country. This has always been, as our chairman mentioned, the vision and the purpose of Escorts Limited, started by Mr. H.P. Nanda. As I speak, we have partnered and bringing in many companies across the globe to make this happen and make this into a reality. This is in our DNA. This is what Escorts has done. We have always led with thought leadership. And this is who we are from within. So you must know that you're not a normal salesman. You bring something new to the market. You bring something new to the customer. And you are looking at what can make him more productive. I'd like to show you a video of my recent, one of my recent trips that I made with Samir in Rajasthan. And as you are aware that we have started the multi-service station concept, which I think is absolutely brilliant because it reflects the entrepreneurial spirit of Escorts. Imagine a man who has worked in one of our largest dealers in Rajasthan, in Bhilwara, and for this man to have a dream that I want to be my own boss, I want to work for myself. And after working for 5 years, Escorts gave him that platform. And we traveled, Samir and myself, 80 kilometers. And I felt so amazed and I felt so good that this man today has become an entrepreneur. And today we are spreading prosperity in the lives of his personal life and in the families that surround him. So please have a look, the story of Ronak.
मेरा नाम रौनक शर्मा है। मैं बड़ा होकर इंजीनियर बनना चाहता हूँ। मुझे पापा की तरह अपना काम खोलना है।
मुझे खुशी है कि मेरे बेटे ने एक सपना देखा है, तो सपना जो देखता है वही सफल होता है। मैं भी एक सेल्समैन था भीलवाड़ा धावे ट्रैक्टर के अंदर 2006 के अंदर। उसी टाइम मैं भी एस्कॉर्ट से जुड़ा था। उसी एस्कॉर्ट कंपनी से मेरे को भी उम्मीदें बंधी, मैंने भी सपना देखा। आज वो सपना मेरे यहाँ सफल हो गया। 2006 के जून महीने में मैंने धावे ट्रैक्टर भीलवाड़ा में नौकरी ज्वाइन की। उसी महीने मैंने 5 ट्रैक्टर बेचे। उसी से मेरे को मनोबल बढ़ा। 2007 के अंदर कंपनी का एक प्रोग्राम था, RM थे संजय मोहन जी शर्मा, वो आए हुए भीलवाड़ा। उन्होंने कहा कि भाई आपके दावे जी ये सेल्समैन है, इनको टारगेट दो, आरएम अधिकारी अपन को कह रहा है नहीं नारायण तेरे को 11 मतलब करना है, उसका मतलब कहीं ना कहीं अपने में एक हुनर है। तो उसी से मेरे को एक उम्मीद मिली। 2008 के अंदर कंपनी की मीटिंग थी, उस टाइम भी मेरे को टारगेट दिया गया था कि भाई 3 महीने में 25 ट्रैक्टर देना है। वो टारगेट मैंने अचीव किया। फरीदाबाद मीटिंग में मेरे को अवार्ड मिला।
कभी भी नेगेटिव बात इस लड़के ने नहीं की है और आज उसी की बदौलत ये लड़का मेरे पास 5 साल काम करने के बाद जो अभी एस्कॉर्ट्स कंपनी द्वारा जो नया सिस्टम हमने लागू किया सर्विस पॉइंट का, वो डीलरशिप लेकर ये चित्तौड़ जिले में जो काम कर रहा है, आदरणीय निखिल जी नंदा साहब ने इसकी तारीफ की।
मैं तो हर आदमी सेल्समैन या टीम नए बंदे को ये कहता हूँ कि एक सपना देखो कि जब भी सपना साकार होगा। जो श्रीमान निखिल नंदा साहब, मैं उनके ऋणी हूँ तहे दिल से। मेरे शोरूम पे आए, मतलब बहुत नसीब वाला हूँ मैं इस चीज़। और उन्होंने एक चीज़ और मेरे को दी कि आपके बेटे को इंजीनियर मैं बनाऊंगा। मतलब ये चीज़ मेरे लिए, मैं और इससे एस्कॉर्ट से और क्या चाहिए मेरे को।
That was Ronak's story, but it is not his story alone. It is our story. Friends, please understand the magnitude of what we are actually doing. We are changing lives, like what you saw in the video. We are changing India, even if it means one Ronak at a time. Our chairman, Mr. Rajan Nanda, always told me, he said, Nikhil, I want Escorts to be the farmer's best friend. This is a relationship that has to be nurtured. We have to win the farmer's respect to be his friend. We have to win his trust. And we will do this. And I promise him, on behalf of all of you sitting in this room, that we will, in the right way, win that trust. And as he mentioned, we will give him also the equipment and the experiences that will help him to compete, not just in India, but in the global stage. Escorts has touched the hearts of millions of people in India, and today we continue to do the same with the same spirit, experience and impact. Today we are going to do the same in our agriculture business. The investment that we are making for the tractor is going to take us to a different orbit. Our philosophy, as our co-founder always said often to us, is that Escorts' philosophy is to bring the world's best to India and offer India's best to the world. I'd like to have you repeat this with me, please. It's a very important core that came from the co-founder, to bring the world's best to India and offer India's best to the world. Can you please repeat this with me? To bring the world's best into India and offer India's best to the world. So we are going to give a feel, we're going to give an experience to the Indian consumer that he hasn't experienced from no other company. So there's no reason for Escorts in the future to be defensive. We're going to lead with thought leadership and we're going to lead with superior products. This is a new generation of the tractor, a tractor that will physically reflect our vision of redefining. Even as we speak, new designs at every level, from concept to material, are being made and tested. This is one of the elements in our transformation of the Indian farm. And with this, we will very proudly rub shoulders with multinationals in giving them a technological fight, perhaps in their own home markets. Not perhaps, we will take this technology and fight them in their own home markets. So my friends, Escorts is on its way of becoming a global company. And with this transformation will come a transformation of yield that I spoke about to the farmer, a transformation of productivity, which is what we will deliver to the farmer as a company. And it really was a privilege for all the Escortians that we had a visit of our ex-president, Dr. Abdul Kalam, and he came and spoke to all our young engineers at KMC. It was very inspirational, and we enjoyed it. And when he was leaving, we asked him to write a small message for Escorts. And it was very interesting, the mission that he has set for our company. I'd like you to have a look at it. Dr. Abdul Kalam, our most respected ex-president, gave us a mission on his last visit to Escorts. We Escorts are the partners in agricultural production. 350 million tons of food by the year 2025. That has to be the mission. This is the yield that the Indian farm of the future will provide. And to do this, we will embrace the total envelope of transforming the farm experience. Escorts will lead the concept of crop solutions with partnerships and focused results. We will be there at the leading edge of the technological green revolution. Like we have done before, Escorts will usher in the next transformation of the Indian farm to make real the vision. Our ex-president has set us a mission to help India unleash her potential to produce 350 million tons of food by 2025. And to make this mission possible, friends, you are the most important faces and people at Escorts. You are actually the real face of Escorts. With all due respect, with all the leadership team that is sitting here, we are not the one who are facing our customers. You are carrying the logo of Escorts, and you are the true ambassadors of our company. The moment you give your visiting card, the moment you put your hand forward to shake hands with the customer, he already is looking at the core values for what we stand for as a company. So we have to co-own this journey. We have to believe it, and we want to make a difference in India, and we want to be a proud professionals for doing what we do. So my advice to you is that work for yourself. Work as a proud professional because you want respect, and use Escorts as your means, and fulfill your own personal desires as individuals to leave your own personal mark that you want to leave in your society. Because all of you sitting here have dreams, and you want to have respect. And we have the same dream, so let's be all a part of it. My dream, and the kind of a man that I am, I believe in building leaderships. My job is not to make tractors. My job is to unleash the potential of all of you as leaders. I believe that the leadership skills that you have, the potential that you personally have, all of you who are sitting in this room, are immense. You just have to tap into it. And once you start unleashing that potential that you have within you, you will be absolutely amazed with your own power and the success that will come to you individually and to the society and to the company. So if you want prosperity, I believe we must spread it first. Now I've come to a very interesting part. I'd like to introduce you to the youngest Escortian today, my son, Agastya Nanda.
Good morning, everybody. I've chosen this occasion to say a few words. Every day, once my father comes back from work, he starts to complain about how long and tiring his day was.
Oh, I never do
But
that.
also, never forgets to tell everybody how much he loves not only selling tractors, but making his customers happy. I hope that you all were inspired by everybody's speeches, and I wanted to say that I'm very proud of my father and everybody here who's living their dreams. Thank you.
Well done. Thank you. Thank you. Well done. You're very well. Good. Thank you, Agastya. Agastya, I want you to stay here. Okay, he's feeling too shy. Come. Well, he's 13 years old. Give him a good applause here. It takes a lot to come in front of 500 people and speak. And in all honest truth, I did not know that he was going to say anything today. I said at the most, just come up and do namaste. So whatever he spoke right now was a surprise to me. And now, ladies and gentlemen, I would want all of you to please stand up. Because now I present to you Escort's sales anthem. Anthem which defines our purpose and goals. Please try and sing along with it. There are words at the bottom, and I think just pay attention to the words. It has a lot of meaning in it, and I hope you enjoy it. Thank you very much.
गई है वो घड़ी, वादा करो मिलके सभी, बंजर भूमि पे हरा रंग डाल दो, डाल दो। एस्कॉर्ट यस, एस्कॉर्ट यस, एस्कॉर्ट यस, एस्कॉर्ट यस। अब आ गई है वो घड़ी, वादा करो मिलके सभी, बंजर भूमि पे हरा रंग डाल दो। आन बान शान है इस धरती का किसान, ये क्यों भूख से कोई जिंदगी कुर्बान हो। चलो एस्कॉर्टियन, एस्कॉर्टियन। सालों का इतिहास है, जीत की एक प्यास है, यही तो अब तुम्हारी पहचान है। चाहे आंधियां चले, चाहे धरती ये हिले, तुम न हिलना क्योंकि तुम चट्टान हो, चट्टान हो। दुश्मनों की भीड़ हो या सामने गद्दार हो, लड़ सको तो तब ही तुम महान हो। किसानों को तुम अस्त्र दो, टेक्नोलॉजी के शस्त्र दो, अपनी कला से उनको तुम उभार दो, उभार दो। कस्टमर्स के दिल को अब मिलके सारे जीत लो, हर दिल पे ताकि अपना बस नाम हो। उतर पड़ो अब जंग में, लहू के लाल रंग में, जो रोक ले उसे तुम मिलके मार दो, मार दो। मौत से तुम ना डरो, सपनों को बस मरने न दो, दुनिया को अपने कंधों पे उठा ही लो। चलो एस्कॉर्टियन, you are champion। चलो एस्कॉर्टियन, you are champion। चलो एस्कॉर्टियन, you are warrior। चलो एस्कॉर्टियन, you are